Won't you come? Let's have play. It's a great, great day. Let's have dance. Here's your chance. Let's have race. Let's have turn. Ready, set, you. Ready, set, learn. Ready, set, me. I pass. Okay, everybody. This is Dino. He's a dinosaur. Cool, huh? And Dino, this is everybody. Oh, hey, it's okay. They're really nice. You'll like them. Oh, hi. I'm having a problem. Dino is my new toy, but he's really, really, really shy. It takes time for him to get used to new friends. Sometimes he feels kind of nervous in new places. Dinosaurs are so big and loud. I didn't know they could be shy. Did you? I guess anyone can be shy. I'm not very shy. I think Dino wants to stand over here so he can get used to everybody. Then maybe he'll join in. What was that, Willie? Oh, this is awful. Willie says that now he and the other toys think that Dino doesn't like them. This is like the first time I met my good friend Dog. He was shy too.
Everybody hop.
Hey, we're playing Follow the Leader, and I'm the leader.
Well, I want to be the leader too.
You can be the leader next.
No, it's my turn to be the leader. Everyone follow me.
Wait, I'm still the leader.
Now, dance on your tiptoes. And turn in a circle.
Hey, look. Hello, hey.
Hello. Hey there. Hello.
Hi, my name is Paz, and this is Rabbit.
And I am Pig. What's your name?
Dog.
What?
My name is Nog. My name is Dog.
Cool.
Hey, Dog.
Hey.
Hey.
I've never seen you before. Did you just move here?
Where do you live? Are you new?
This is great.
Yeah?
Yeah. It will be more fun with 4 of us to play together.
Well, I gotta go.
Where are you going?
Where you go? Oh.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, we'll see ya.
See you later. He doesn't talk very much. He's not very friendly.
I wonder why he ran off so fast.
Maybe he didn't want to play with us.
But he seemed happy to meet us.
I don't like him.
Why?
Because he wasn't very friendly.
I don't know, Pig. He was smiling.
Well, he didn't stay and play with us.
But I think he wanted to.
Well, I've got to go home anyway. See you tomorrow?
We can play Follow the Leader again.
I get to be the leader. No, I get to be the leader.
No, I get to be the leader.
Hop on your tiptoes, up. Up. Now hop backwards.
Oh, sorry.
Very funny.
Very funny.
Very funny. Hey!
Hey!
Hey! You're the leader, Rabbit. We are just doing whatever you do.
Hi.
Oh, hi. Hey, how you doing?
Hi. Hello, Dog.
Hi.
I didn't think you'd show up today.
Really?
Well, you didn't want to play with us yesterday.
No, it wasn't that.
So do you want to play with us or not?
Sometimes I get nervous when I meet new friends.
Really?
Yeah, I can't always think of what to say, and there's 3 of you and only 1 of me. That makes me feel a little nervous too.
You're nervous because of us.
My dad says I'm shy.
Ah, you're shy. I just thought you didn't like us.
No, I do like you. And I do want to play with you. I just needed a little time to get used to you.
So, you want to play now?
Okay, sure.
How about follow the leader? Dog can be the leader.
Oh, I don't want to be the leader.
Really?
I'd rather follow.
I'll follow too. Me too.
I'll be the leader! Now, up on your tiptoes! Walk, walk, walk.
That away, dog. You're doing great.
Oh, thanks.
So just because Dino is shy doesn't mean he doesn't want to be friends with you. You can all still be friends. Best friends. Friends? Mwah! Ha yeah! Okay, who wants to play Follow the Leader? I'll be the leader. You can play too. Everyone on your tiptoes. And turn in a circle. Bye.